Assalamu alaikum, young man. Your name, please?
My name is Syed Hadi Musa Karbalai.
Oh, you made sure every city in the world was mentioned there, huh? Well done, well done. How old are you?
I'm 14 years old.
And what does the green scarf signify?
I'm a Syed.
Yeah, you want to make that clear. Okay, and born and raised in Scotland?
Yes.
Okay, tell me more.
I was born in Scotland, in Glasgow. I was raised there for 8 years and then moved to 6 years and then moved to London, and I continued living here with my family.
Brilliant. And when did you first start reciting?
I recited Quran, so I recite Quran, latmiyas and nasheeds. I did Quran at the age of 5, and then a couple of years later I started doing nasheeds and latmiyas.
Amazing.
I think the Shia Voice competition is a great competition to bring all inspiration and talented reciters all under one roof to take part in a competition that can determine who will be crowned the Shia King.
علي 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 دلالي نبضاته علي 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 قرآني وآياته علي 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 دلالي نبضاته علي 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 قرآني وآياته علي يا أحلى بسمة علي بشفافي نسمة علي بشفافي نسمة علي 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 دلالي نبضاته علي 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 قرآني وآياته علي يا أحلى بسمة علي بشفافي نسمة.
I actually felt really nervous when going on stage because I felt maybe I could have mixed up between the nasheed, or one of the judges could have asked me to stop.
علي يا أحلى نسمة علي بشفافي بسمة علي علي علي.
Syed, I can see here in your biography saying that you were reciting Quran in the mosque and Arabic school since the age of 5.
Correct.
I give you opportunity to change. Do you want to recite Quran instead of this?
Is there a particular reason why you would like me to change?
When I was stopped by Nazar Qatari, I actually felt scared because I thought there was something wrong with my voice that he wanted me to change.
Maybe you are better in Quran. If not, come back to this, Ali.
I think I would like to stay with my nasheed.
Watch out, Nazar Qatari. I'm coming for you. I'll make sure I win this competition and show you everything I've got.
A very unexpected turn of events. A contestant has decided to go against the judge.
علي علي قرآني وآياته علي يا أحلى بسمة علي بشفافي نسمة علي يا أحلى نسمة علي بشفافي بسمة علي 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 دلالي نبض.
Today has been pretty great and not great at the same time, because during my audition, Nazar Qatari asked me to stop and asked me to read Quran instead. However, I stuck to my path and kept with my nasheed because I knew deep inside myself that I have a chance of winning.
Give me a hug, man. Give me a hug. Ahsan, Syed. Ahsan. Barakallah bik. Well done. Absolutely amazing. I thoroughly enjoyed that. The whole nasheed. Really, really I did. Now, let's take a deep breath. You okay?
Yeah.
Good. All right, cool. I'm going to start with Dr. Syed Ammar, please.
Well, credit to you for maintaining your ground.
Absolutely.
You could have easily given in to Mullah Nazar at that moment when he said to you, move on. But you maintained your ground. And that maintaining of the ground is going to be vital if you're going to have a career. Because you can have voices from everywhere saying, change your ways. Don't be like that. You shouldn't look like that. You shouldn't talk like that. And you continued and you maintained your ground. And even I do believe that what came from here was beneficial to you, because all of a sudden you realize, you know what, I've got some fight in me. I'm not going to let the crowd dictate where my career heads. I'll dictate where my career heads, and the crowd will end up following me one day.
Absolutely.
So very well done.
Absolutely.
Well done.
100%. 100% I agree with you, Syed. Well, Nazar, it seems like you have a couple of things to say.
Syed Ali Al-Hadi. Syed, the second recitation was better than first one. That's why I stopped you. The second one was a bit higher, but because you were thinking about
The words?
words, you lost your concentration. You lost a bit. You forgot some words.
Do you think that's right? How do you feel after the interjection?
I actually thought when you interjected me, I actually thought there was something wrong with the voice or something that you wanted me to change. But then
So you kept thinking about my words.
Well, one second. I really want him to finish his sentence. Finish your sentence.
So I actually thought my voice was something wrong with it that you didn't like. But this is exactly what I practiced at home. The second one, when I repeated, that was exactly what I practiced at home.
Okay, I will tell you something. Don't think that what you practice at home, you have to recite exactly same on a stage. Reciting on a stage is 100% different. Even when when I have majlis tonight, I go to my car. I don't want to disturb my children. Yeah, I practice in the car. But do you think when I go on member, I recite exactly like while I'm driving? No, you have to raise your tune. That's what you did, but you did very few, but it was very good. And we don't forget that you are still 14 years old, and it's very critical age.
Absolutely. We'll go on to Syed Jalal. Syed Jalal, please.
Syed Ali, mashallah, I liked your insisting on your decision. It was very good. But things you have to, inshallah, focus for future, for maybe if you go to next round. Or your voice was a little bit nasal. Yes, you have to work on this. And the pitch, you changed the pitch as well in between of your recitation. The first recitation you did, you changed the pitch in between. When you wanted to call the audience to help you, you changed the pitch. You came down the pitch. Actually, you have to restart this recitation one pitch higher than the one you're reciting, because this is not your voice. Your voice is stronger than this. You have to actually go to the higher pitch. You can say Ali, 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 Ali. No, Ali, 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 Ali. So see, the sound is strong and it is powerful. Good. Thank you very much. And you are a little bit rushing. Yeah. Relax.
Ahsan.
Thank you.
I think you had a very good reason to rush, maybe, but we'll keep that for another discussion. Sayyid Mesum.
Before I comment on you, Syed, I wanted to mention, I'm glad, Wallah Ali Fazal, you're being a good proponent for the participants that are coming. I'm glad to see that.
Okay.
I think, so in the middle I asked, after Mullah Nazar interrupted you, I asked Sayyid Ammar if this was supposed to be a happy nasheed. I think after Mullah Nazar stopped you, I think I sensed a little bit of anger at your voice. And don't lose the point. If someone interrupts, don't lose the emotions. MashaAllah, it was amazing.
Thank you.
They've already said enough. I think you were amazing, MashaAllah.
Ahsantum. Thank you so much, Syed Mesum. I think that brings it to a close. Quite an eventful segment, but hope you enjoyed it. Yeah. Please help me in thanking Syed Ali. Well done, Syed.
Allah, I knew you dance.
All right. How was that?
I felt a bit really heartbroken when he told me to change, but I practiced at home and I knew that I did a really good job, and I stuck with what I decided to do. MashaAllah.